Let P be a 4 cross 4 matrix. Entries from the set of rational numbers. If root 2 plus iota is a root of the characteristic polynomial of P, then which one option is correct? If any complex root is of characteristic polynomial, then their conjugate is also root, as root 2 plus iota is a root of characteristic polynomial. That's why root 2 minus iota will be conjugate of this is also characteristic polynomial. And 4 equation, because matrix size is 4, so any matrix satisfy its characteristic polynomial. This comes from Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So one of them option is a characteristic polynomial and roots satisfy its characteristic polynomial. So these two roots will satisfy one of option. Now check option A. Option A, left hand side is p raised to the power 4 and right hand side is 4p square plus 9 identity matrix. Now put one root 2 plus iota in left hand side in LHS, then we will get 4 root 2 iota minus 7. Whenever I put root in right hand side, then I obtain 4 1 plus 2 root 2 iota equals to 8 root 2 iota plus 4. Now on comparing imaginary parts, we have 4 root 2 in left hand side and 8 root 2 in right hand side. These two are not same. So option A cannot be possible. Similarly, you can check other option, and after checking you will find that option C is right one.